ended up attending the master class and got other ideas and options. I was familiar, I had heard of double closings, never done one. And I just felt confident enough with this team that I could figure it out.
The deal that you closed yesterday was right after the masterclass, like a day or two afterwards, if I remember correctly.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So she isn't at all mastered this process yet. She just started, just like you guys, sat in this Zoom just 4 weeks ago, saw this. 2 days later said, I think I have one of those deals you guys were talking about that I'm gonna need to double close. You wanna explain the rest, Miss Rachel?
Here's my closing disclosure. Today I'll pick up my check for $35,600 and something dollars. I was referred to the buyer, they were referred to me, and I was going to go in as a realtor, and I ended up attending the master class and got other ideas and options. I was familiar, I had heard of double closings, never done one, and I just felt confident enough with this team that I could figure it out. It's the first time that I ever really put myself in other people's hands. Normally, I like to control everything. The team is doing what I want to do. And I said, I can't lose. You know, the worst that happens is I'll list it. And I ended up doing the contract. I found a buyer. I have to say also, I had the confidence of even working with a buyer in this way because I felt just like I had a whole team, you know, behind my back. If I couldn't figure out the proper negotiations, I knew that I would have some help somewhere. I don't mean to even be so talkative, but I'm excited. And yes, I'll be picking up a $35,000 check that started, a good month ago maybe. And I really didn't do a lot. I drew up some documents, had a couple of conversations, set it up, and just waited for the closing. I'm literally excited and I'm working to figure this out. I'm working to do more of this. I can see my business go in a whole different direction. And also I can see my future going a whole different direction. So I'm grateful. I'm thankful. And yes, I use Smart Money Collective.
It makes
I
me
love
happy.
it. Congratulations. Her
My
first
ego,
deal.
boosts my ego. It makes me. I'm kidding. No, more than anything, like that. Your story, Rachel, is good because there's people on this call that have never done this and they feel like it's such a scary, hard thing to do. In reality, like they're so supported, so it's good for them to see it. And I know when we talked initially, you were heavily invested in fix and flips and all this stuff that really like wasn't making you as much money as you wanted and was taking up so much of your time. So really, that is why we're on this call, to teach people like smarter ways. It's called the Smart Money Collective for a reason, because it's about how can we make more money but leverage all these strategies to do it in a way that's like easier, more efficient, so we're not always having to go and do all this to make that. So I'm proud of you. I appreciate you. Every time you guys close a deal, I will message Kevin, I'm so happy. It makes me happier when you guys close deals done with us, and we put a lot of work on the back end to support you guys. So like honestly, like that's the best reward that I can get, you making a ton of money.
Here we're doing a case study of another member that similar situation, had a conversation with me during a breakfast meeting, and then the whole thing got approached, saw an opportunity, didn't know what to do with it. We took it, we guided them, etc.